Yeah, clouds and showers and storms. We're talking about that today. A little bit of a break in the air rain and thunderstorm activity for now across the Metroplex. That's not going to stay that way, though, as we go through the morning hours. A little bit later, we're already starting to see some redevelopment a little farther south, and that trend probably going to continue for us as we go through the morning. But for right now, taking you out to downtown Dallas, a break from the rain and thunderstorms, looking at temperatures in the lower 60s, almost a half an inch since midnight in downtown Dallas right now. But we've gotten more than that over an inch, almost an inch and a half at Love Fields since midnight. But you can see what's left of the rain around the Metroplex here this morning. Not a lot going on now, but we'll head a little farther south, heading down I-45, starting to see a few more showers and storms redevelop down toward Corsicana and Palestine. That's beginning to pick up, and I think south of I-20 here as we go through the next few hours, we'll see a few more showers and storms. That's the area that we'll be watching for that redevelopment initially as we head out a little bit later this morning after sunrise, and it will be fairly widespread with those showers and storms, with that severe potential continuing across the area today. So you see the coverage really does ramp up a little bit later this morning through about midday, and then it tapers off once again coming home. It might be a little bit drier before we will see that next round, I think, with the storm chances increasing again as we head into this evening. Now, that severe weather threat, it is still there. We're talking about large to a very large hail, perhaps the damaging wind gusts. And you see in that enhanced risk area south of I-20, that's where we could see an isolated tornado or two as we go through the day today as well. So you still need to be weather aware as we go through today. Here's what it looks like, though, with our timecast heading toward 9 a.m. That area a little farther south, as I mentioned, we'll have some widespread showers and thunderstorms. The heavier rain maybe just south of I-20 as we go through the morning, heading toward midday. This is around noontime today. Still looking at widespread showers and storms around with that heavier rain threat a little farther south. And flooding certainly going to be a concern. We've already seen some high water around the area this morning. That will be the case through the day today with these storms redeveloping and continuing across the area. But you see by 4 p.m. that begins to taper off a little bit, and then we'll see the activity ramping up once again as we head toward 10 p.m. tonight. So we'll have more showers and thunderstorms moving through. And then as we head into Wednesday, still going to be looking at more scattered showers and storms around, especially for the first part of the day on Wednesday. But notice as we get into Wednesday afternoon, heading on into Wednesday night for sure, we'll start to see the storms finally starting to taper off, and there's that severe weather threat begins to shift a little farther east. As we head into Wednesday, only a marginal risk left, I think, with those severe storms on Wednesday. So here's that 14-day forecast for you. We are looking at the temperatures that will stay in the lower 70s for today, and then we start to warm back up as we head toward the weekend. Sunshine does return, though, as we get into Thursday there, and we'll have highs getting into the weekend, getting back into the lower 80s. All right.